So this video is a short summary of our beginners solo slow waltz routine 1, something that we taught in an earlier class, and this is a short summary. So do check out the class. In the class I actually explain how to go from no rotation to rotation and beyond. In this particular video I'm going to give you the absolute basic version to work on, which doesn't have any rotation around the room. So if you are a complete beginner, just stick with this one. If you're a little bit more advanced, then check out the other video, which should be in the playlist below this one, which will say the slow waltz routine 1 with rotation. So I'm recording these separately so people don't get too confused. Okay, so absolute basic routine 1, we did 2 box steps. Box steps being a forwards and a back pair. So we did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So there's my box step, no rotation. Left foot forwards for a forwards whisk. 1, 2, 3, and into a promenade close. Slide 2, 3. I'm now going to do a back step on my left foot and a right side chassé. Back, side, close, side. I then do a forwards left basic. 1, 2, 3. A back right with a hesitation brush. Okay? Now let's do all of that again because there's a lot going on there. Left foot box step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Forwards whisk. 1, 2, 3, and promenade close. Back, side, close, side. Forwards basic. And a back right with a little hesitation. Okay, bringing it in. I'm now going to do a right foot box step. Okay, so now I will go right foot back. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Now remember, the box step can be done on the left or the right, forwards or back start, completely up to you depending on where you are in a routine. That was to give you an example. We did the forwards one in the first section, we've done the reverse, we've done it with the right foot going backwards. Very last little section, I did one right foot going back, basic, and a left foot forwards to a hesitation. Okay, so it's going to look like we're doing some things on the left and some things on the right in that routine, which we are. So that's our slight variation. I'm going to dance the whole thing for you. Okay, do, when you feel that you've practiced this, look on to the next video where I show you the exact same routine, but I'm putting the rotation into the steps. So the routine hasn't changed as such, it's just you'll see where the rotation is happening and you'll understand why that looks a little bit more familiar like a waltz. But at the moment, learning it facing the front, just the basic steps. So left foot box step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Forwards whisk and 1, 2. Promenade close. 1, 2, 3. Back, side, close, side. Now a forwards basic. 1, 2, 3. A back hesitation. 1, 2, 3. And reverse box step. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. A back basic and a forwards hesitation. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The hesitation means I'm bringing the foot in. Don't put any weight on it. It's not a close. It's just a brush in, and then I reuse the foot, or I brush in and I reuse the foot. If you do check out the 1 hour class, you'll see where I've explained that quite a lot more. Look out for the beginners solo slow waltz routine 1, and it will say full class rather than summary, as this is the summary video. Okay, that's the end of this little section. Do check out the other video where I show the same routine with rotation.